The number one rule for affiliate marketing success, and today's daily rule is this: have multiple ways to connect with people who are most likely to be interested in that affiliate product that you're pushing. Don't depend on any one social media platform, because if for some reason that platform doesn't work out for you, well, you're going to lose. You're going to think, hey, this product probably isn't a product I should be pushing. Well, if it was on another platform or multiple platforms, you could really get a good feel for how effective that product is. And that's really a great way for you to tell which social media platform will work best for you. Now, some platforms that you could use that really are effective, at least what I've seen anyway, is Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. Some people, I've got a friend of mine who uses Twitch, uses it quite effectively. I also use both of my YouTube channels. But that is today's daily rule. Have multiple platforms, multiple ways that you can connect with your potential buyer.